Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Dogs are super excited. It's the first unboxing for October. So pumped. Alright, today we're going to be opening our October 2018 Boxycharm. If you did not know, this box is... How much is it? If you did not know, this box is $21 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size products valued at $100 more. And then you also earn charms that you can spend in the charm shop to get more free products. So yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop right into it. So when you open it up, it looks just like this. It has the little card that'll have the theme for the month and everything we're getting in the box. And then it always comes wrapped in like this cellophane kind of stuff, which is nice, so it protects everything in the box. Okay, so let's see if I can get the theme. So the theme this month is Alter Ego. There's that. Oh, it looks like they're really going with this black and white theme in here. When I just open it up, everything in here just looks black and white. So let's see. The first thing I'm going to pull out is a black bamboo charcoal peel-off mask from Dermovia. It has 2 lace masks plus 20 milliliter tube. This is interesting. I've never seen anything like this. Okay, so cleanse and dry your face, apply an even layer of peel paste to targeted areas, then line up holes, put the mask on, and then wear it for 15 to 20 minutes. I've never heard of this brand, so I'm not sure if they're cruelty-free. As always, I will always research that and then put it down below if you care. But I am interested to try this, so hopefully it is cruelty-free. That's interesting. So yeah, there's that. That is valued at $30. That's pretty expensive for 2 masks, but maybe it's amazing. But yeah, I totally would not pay that myself. That's a bit much. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to pull out is from It Cosmetics, right here. It is the Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. Now, it looks like somebody like ate part of mine. Can you see that? So this is a pretty big sized tube of mascara. It's in the shade Super Black. I can go ahead and show you the wand. So to me it looks pretty basic, but I am interested to try this. I do like It Cosmetics, so there's that. Let's see, this is valued at $24. Again, a little expensive for a mascara, but what are you gonna do? What? And I just dropped it. I had to pick that up, otherwise this would quickly become a dog chew toy. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out of here is from Farmacy, which I think is cruelty-free. I can't remember. I'll have to look into it, but I feel like they are. This is the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. So that is exciting. So here it is. It looks just like... Okay, so it does feel like a glycerin based, maybe oil based. I can't. Oh, triglyceride. So maybe I am right. It smells very clean. I do like these kind of things to take off my makeup. I'm trying to get away from using so many. I'm trying to get away from using so many like wipes and disposable things. So I've been using the Pacifica one, but I'm interested to try this one. So that's cool. Let's see, that's valued at $22. Okay, let's see. I have 2 more items. The next one is from Kat Von D. It's the Everlasting Liquid Lip. Mine is in the shade Mother. Whoa, holy moly. So it's like super, super pink. I do like the packaging on the lid right there. Can you see that? It's really cool. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a swatch. So it is a very, very pink color. I'm actually excited about this. I do like her lip stuff. I don't know. I think maybe I have tried one of these before and I do like it. So I'm excited to get another one. This I know for sure is cruelty free. And this is valued at $20. I'm going to wait and see if this dries down matte. I'm not sure. So this is the Pure Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. I really like the packaging. So let's... Okay, so once you get it out of the box, the actual palette itself looks just like the box. And then... Oh, cool. So, looks like over here, so here's, oh, I guess I should show you. So this is what it looks like. We have like 6 eye colors and then some face colors. This one for sure is like a highlight, and then the other ones I would probably use as a blush. Go ahead and swatch some of these. Okay, so there they are swatched on my hand. They're pretty pigmented. They're all shimmeries except for the brown is a matte brown. So I guess I should say that's the eyeshadows. I can do the blushes on my other arm. So I'm the worst at swatching. There's the face colors on my other arm. And then here's the shadow. So it's pretty pigmented. Lots of shimmeries. Like I said, even in the face stuff, the brown is the only matte color. But I do like Pure palettes. I'm like covered in eyeshadow and face stuff. And it is cruelty free, so I am excited about that. And this is valued at $38. So overall, not a bad box. I will show you too the Kat Von D color, lip color dried down matte. So if you're into mattes, that's cool. Let's go ahead real quick and get the value of this box. All right, so the total value of this box is $134. So really good value here. I think I'm excited about everything. I don't think there's one thing that I'm really disappointed in. Yeah, I got a black mascara. I got a face palette. These, I'm super, super curious about these lace masks. I got a Kat Von D lip and then the face, the makeup remover. So yeah, I'm not mad about this box. I really, really like this box. I feel like Boxycharm just always keep stepping it up. Like every time you're like, oh, what can they do that they haven't done before? And then they do this. So yeah, excited about this box. If you like this video, I'm about to drop everything again. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more whiny dogs, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. And I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.